What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Barnbridge, which has gained a decent amount of value over the last 24 hours. As you can see, it is about 15% up, nearly hitting the $5 mark, currently trading at $4.95. So we're going to be going through its next potential target. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to drop back down in value? And especially looking at both buyers and a seller's point of view, is it time to buy it? Is it too late? Or if you've already bought into it on a profit, is it time to sell it, or is it just time to hold on to it? And of course, going through its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks for the short-term traders, as well as over the next couple of months and overall in 2023, how high can Barnbridge go? And looking at, is this a crypto worth investing into in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So the market isn't looking too good. As you can see, it's down 2% with the big cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum. Everything is down today, BNB. However, we do have Barnbridge as the second top gainer in the last 24 hours, which is absolutely insane. And here, even though in the last hour it has dropped nearly 3% in value, overall it is still up nearly 16%, over the week 10%, and over the month a massive 37%, guys. Even though, yes, it has been very volatile over the last 4 weeks, hitting about $6.50 as well earlier on in January, dropping back down, and right now picking back up in value. It's been up and down all over the place, but the overall outcome has, seems to be more on the positive side, which is all that matters. So yeah, so far so good for Barnbridge. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by nearly 3,000% in the last 24 hours, making it $59 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded. And of course, a huge percentage increase, as it has been gaining a lot of attention, a lot of hype. As it's gaining value, more and more people are starting to trade it. We're seeing a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading it, as it is getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype around it as well. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So yes, we are looking at the daily chart right now, and we've also got the purple line running across the chart here at the top, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Barnbridge, which is here in purple at $4.61, and we can see it trading at a slightly higher value here in red at $4.80, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially, we've got both the lines going in opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So let's say towards the end of the day today, I'm expecting Barnbridge to be trading around the $4.80 target, where it is at the moment. However, that does not mean that it's going to be consistently maintaining that value over the next 12 to 14 hours. Of course not. It's likely to drop down as well to about $4.40, peak back up above $5 over the coming 7-8 hours, but the overall outcome seems to be neutral. So towards the end of the day, it is likely to trade at around $4.80, somewhere around that target. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? We've got the blue line looking again slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction because it's already started to drop down in value, and we've got the orange line still looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So yes, guys, we do have both the lines once again going the opposite direction to each other. So over the coming days, let's say over the next 7 to 8 days, towards the end of this week, I'm expecting an overall minimal increase in value from Barnbridge. We should be trading above around $5.20 is what I'm expecting towards the weekend. But that doesn't mean we're going to be consistently hitting green days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have red days when it's down, green days when it's up. It's going to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side, which is what we want to see. So hopefully we're going to see an overall increase in value. but again, it's not going to be a major increase. It is going to be very minimal. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? This time we've got the opposite. We've got the blue line looking bullish and the orange line looking bearish. So once again, still going the opposite direction to each other. This crypto has been so volatile that even the graph is kind of confused. But again, over the coming weeks, guys, I'm expecting an overall increase in value from Barnbridge. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, let's say early April to mid-April, I am expecting Barnbridge to be trading around the $7 target. And again, it may seem like a major increase from where it is at the moment. However, if we manage to give it approximately a good 2 months, guys, I'm pretty sure we should be easily able to hit the $7 mark. That's including the dips that are about to take place in between as well, unless of course we go for a major crash or a major bull run or a price pump. These things will have a major impact, not just on the value of Barnbridge, but the whole crypto market in general, either in a positive or negative way. But either way, I'm here to keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator. And before I go any further, guys, just a little announcement for those of you guys who are new to the channel. So for those of you guys who are interested on daily updates on the crypto market, what you guys can do is click on the link in the description box down below to join my Telegram group chat, which is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount code here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, guys. After that, it will expire, so make sure you're quick because more than half the spaces have already gone. And also, if you do manage to get in for $14.99, don't worry guys, it will stay at that price for as long as you stay a member. And yes, it is cancel anytime. So what does this subscription exactly include? You're going to get put into 2 group chats. The first one is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. And yes, I am into crypto for the long term, not the short term trade. And also you get put into a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects. And that is also where I give you guys daily updates on the crypto market, mainly Bitcoin, because more or less, guys, Bitcoin is what drives the market in a positive or negative direction. And you guys can ask analysis and predictions for other cryptos, which I will also provide in the group chat. Everything is included for $14.99. So guys, any questions, any queries you guys may have, simply send me a DM on Instagram. If not, the link is again in the description box down below, ready for you guys to sign up. And now back to Barnbridge. Let's get the Fibonacci scale out, and as you can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and we've got quite a while to hit the resistance target here, which is $23.63, which I'm expecting Barnbridge to be hitting around mid-year to Q3 of 2023 is when I'm expecting us to, or Barnbridge, sorry, to hit the resistance target here of $23, and we should be able to head into the green zone towards the very end of the year, hitting about $30 towards the very end of the year. But again, this may change according to any new partnerships or collaborations that they've got going on, which, you know, they may announce over the coming whenever it is. But again, if you guys want regular updates on Barnbridge, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.